how to get a driving license in Dubai. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a driving license in Dubai. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, check if you're eligible to apply. You must be at least 18 years old for a car license in Dubai, and if you're on a residence visa, you can apply for a Dubai issued license. Select an RTA Roads and Transport Authority approved driving school like Emirates Driving Institute, Galadari, or Dubai Driving Center. These schools guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Once enrolled, open a driving file at the driving school. This file is necessary for tracking your progress, scheduling exams, and applying for your license. Before you can start driving lessons, you'll need to pass an eye test, which you can do at your driving school or an RTA approved optical center. Make sure to have your Emirates ID and passport copy ready. You'll need to attend theory classes on road rules, safety, and driving regulations in Dubai. After completing the classes, you'll take a theory test, which includes both multiple choice and video questions. During your lessons, you'll go through a series of internal tests at the driving school. These tests prepare you for the final road assessment with the RTA. After passing your internal assessments, you'll schedule the RTA road test. This is the final practical test where an examiner assesses your driving skills on the road. On the test day, bring your Emirates ID and learner's permit. If you pass, congratulations, you're almost done. If not, you may need additional lessons and a retest. Once you pass the road test, you'll receive an approval slip. Take it to the RTA to collect your official Dubai driving license. That's all for the video.